Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we enter the beginning of the Catskill TT Stage 1. This is my first time here on these tires, so that's why we're just pre-running it. We are not sending it by any means. We are just pre-running the course. Making sure nothing changed and the new road is okay. This is only a 6-mile course, so it's not super long stage. I mean, it's the sharpest turn of the whole thing, and it's right next to a public driveway over here, so there's always gravel here, so I always slow it way down here, and pretty much here when you start feeding it. Just gotta watch out for animals. That's the biggest issue around here. You could try this in sport mode one of these days. Although the touring mode on this bike is plenty for my little slow ass. And this corner is always dirty, and I never know why. Never know why, because it's such a beautiful corner. Situation, but you trust it. You gotta be considerate, since usually this circuit is closed off, and today I believe it's open to the public. Maybe not. Kind of feed it some gears, take them away. That's the beauty of the quick shifter. There's no point in my stressing the bike. That's the beauty, because I'm having all the fun in the world, minus abuse to the old machine. Just because I'm being a derelict doesn't mean the machine has to get it. I love these turns here. The whole time you're along a gorgeous river. I don't really have time to look at it at the moment. This is a bumpy section, very bumpy. Downshift, back in here. Roll it back on. Can stay in third. Suspension compressed there, that was nice. Here, we just stay in fourth. Give hit my head on the plants over there, the flowers. Back in over here, another blind one. There's only half a mile left, so we're actually at the end, and there are kids here. I've seen kids here before, so I usually slow down right over here. And then give it one more burst. Another turn. There it is. There's the end of the TT, stage one. Not a bad pre-run. I would imagine at full speed it would be even better. But anyway, thank you for watching, boys and girls. Bye. Hello, ladies and gents. Hello, hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. We are on Route 97. About, I don't know, 60 miles north of Port Jervis. Cruising. Just did the Catskill TT Stage ONE. Now I'm just relaxing. I always mean to go down that way to the river access. But yeah, just cruising along, popping into 6. Basically just buckle in for the next couple of miles. I have the GPS set to go on highways, but I know this area, so at any point when I feel like it, I'll pop onto a highway and finish off. A lot of traffic here today, huh? You? What up, G's? Plus we're cooking at a good clip, so we're actually making a good time. Another river access. All these signs are new. I love it. That is so good. They just put these in. I've been on this road a million times. They didn't have those fish access before. I have to pass this person. Going to be a crazy pace, but a spirited one. And the most exciting thing is I got MotoGP to watch when I get home. Can you believe that shit? Great Britain GP. Exciting. Don't need gas or nothing, so we're just chilling, we're cruising. Nice and easy. Road right there. I mean, I could explore that road in 5 miles, but I don't think it's worth it at this juncture. Cute little town here. I kind of keep meaning to stop at this firearms store. Oh, it's closed. All good. Alright, roll the gas back on. Pass some boys. Pass some of these folks. I ain't got time for that shit. About to pass every single person, not to worry. I'm gonna be as patient as I can. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing okay. Today is one of the better days. I'm obviously a cranky boy, usually. This is not going to work at all. This pace is ridiculous. But there will be straights. Holy shit. I'm about to pass everybody. And it's a car holding us up. That is insane. I do have to pass. Might have to be unsafe or something, but we'll do it alright. Interesting. Road work, that's why. Alright, I'm gonna pass everybody like a savage because I'm by myself. This is gonna be tough. Pass them after. There we go. That was a lot more anticlimactic. I was hoping to pass people like a savage, but instead I'm gonna have to pass people passively. No pun intended. Let me see. What are we suggesting here? 52 to 17. We could do that. Figure it out one way or another. But I also don't want to take too long because I do have some food in the back. I have some pork and some cucumbers. Everything is cooked, but you know, this is hilarious. Because of one car, we're being held up like this. What the fuck was that? Dirtbags.